Welcome to my channel!
Hello breadwinners, sa halagang 6,000 pesos, kapalit nito ang maraming benefits kapag ikaw ay naging IMG member. Hindi lang ito simpleng membership, sa complete package. May financial education, protection, healthcare, investment access, savings, discount, and rewards. Hi everyone, this is Coach Noel Pajardo, kasama si Coach Charlie, my wife at more than 12 years na kaming member sa IMG. Ano ba ang mga benefits sa IMG kapag nagpa-member ako? Number 1, become a savers and investor instantly. Pag nag-member ka, may instant 1,000 PDF savings ka agad at pwede mo i-convert into Soldivo Mutual Fund through Ramper Financial. At tuturuan ka pa namin kung paano dumami ang ipon mo kahit na 50, 100 o 200 pesos lang ang tinatabi mo. Imagine, kung gagawin mo yan for 5, 10, or 20 years, may malaking ipon ka pagdating ng retirement years. Pre-personal accident insurance, may coverage ka ng 100,000 up to 300,000. Kasi ang aksidente, pwedeng mangyari kahit anong oras at kahit saan. Memorial assistance kapag IMG member ka na, magkakaroon ka din ng 50,000 memorial services from Fidelity Life. Plus 24/7 memorial concierge service from Everest Memorial. Another benefit is healthcare. Meron din tayong pre-unlimited consultation sa lahat ng Kaiser branches. Plus, discounted medical and laboratory services. Kasama na dyan ang immediate family members natin. Next to that, vision care. Legal assistance and IMG financial book. May pre-vision care, 2 pairs of frame per year, may legal consultation na 45 minutes. 2 sessions per year at bibigyan kita itong powerful IMG book, The Secret to Savings and Building Your Future. Non-life insurance, discount benefits. Isa pa sa benefits kapag IMG member ka, may discount ka rin sa mga non-life insurance. Mas affordable ang travel insurance, car insurance, and property insurance dahil may discount. Just in, after the convention, may additional benefits ulit. Ipapa-insure mong bahay mo, 3-in-1 na. Meaning, aside sa kalamidad, kasama pati ang laman ng bahay mo. Hanggang 1,500 per year, cover ito ng 500,000 pesos insurance. Real estate savings, may member savings ka rin kapag bibili ka sa mga malalaking real estate. IMG Auto Program. At kung bibili ka ng brand new car, Cashman o installment, may exclusive discount ka pa rin bilang IMG member. IMG Reward kung gusto mong gawin ang IMG business. Pwede kang mag-earn ng incentives like travel around the world, pins, recognition, watches and pre-HMO or healthcare para sa ND and up level. And finally, worldwide protection benefits. Kung ikaw ay isang OFW na gusto mag-member sa IMG, may exclusive additional benefit para sa iyo. 500,000 accidental death benefits, 100,000 burial benefits, 100,000 medical reimbursement, 600,000 act of terrorism, 600,000 of unprovoked murder and assault, accidental disablement benefits, and repatriation services. So imagine, 6,000 lang, pero ang kapalit ay maraming benefits and opportunity. Sulit ba? 2014 pa kami member sa IMG kasama ang aking wife na si Coach Charlie. At masasabi ko talaga na sulit dahil it's a complete package. Sabi nga, may financial education, protection, healthcare, investment access, savings, discount, and kung gusto mong malaman kung paano maging IMG member, mag-comment ka lang dito sa video na to o i-message mo ako diretso sa aking Facebook account at tutulungan kita kung paano magsimula.